Welcome back to another video of donating a billion gajillion dollars to some random people I meet on this game. And we're actually not doing that today. I'm just gonna show you how to make a tycoon with upgrades using code, because it's absurdly easy to like learn and stuff. So anyway, so you need like a wall. You need a wall. And then you need a sign, and don't write anything on it. Then you can get a code block, connect the sign, and then you can get a different block, and click inspect, put it Y position, make it 0. Just make it 0. And with the code block, it's the sign. You only need sign for that. And for this block 1, you only need position 1. And here, edit program, set go to sign number equal block position 1. And then start active. And then now it's 0. So that's like the base money thing. Now to add is like a button. You can do this and red. I'm not gonna add an animation, but you can if you want to. And we're gonna get another code block. Connect block 1, and then just connect position. And then connect code block to this, restart. And now it doesn't do anything. So you go into the program and then do add block 1 is block 1 position and constant 1. Now it does 1, it does 2, it does 3, it does 4. And you can add like a sign block. Okay, I do not like, what is that? And then you have a counter. Now, a more complicated thing is the upgrades, because it took me a little bit to find out how this worked. But instead of using my brain, I'm just going to get a prefab ungroup. No, wrong thing. You go to edit. I'm just gonna delete this. And that was not sped up. I'm literally just that fast. You know what? No, I'm just not gonna do that. Instead, if I scroll down a little bit, okay, too far. Like, only here it is. I have this, which is a click your game starter pack prefab that you can use for literally almost anything. Now delete that ungroup, so that I only have this. Now I can explain it easier to you. So this is not clickable, can't click it. But for the code sign, I'm just gonna change it to this. You don't need this sign part if this is looped. If the part that makes it so this is looped always, then you don't need it. So money is going to be, where did it go? There it is. This is money. You go back. Okay. So what this code does, it checks. So you want to make this number constant. The first constant is going to be one less than what you want your upgrade price to be. So it's 10, it's 9. So if I wanted to change that, I'd change it to like 11 if I wanted it for it to be 12, or 19 if I wanted it to be 20. And this, you're just gonna make this negative your upgrade price, because this is what takes away the money. And so what it does, it makes R0 0. If R0 is greater than 9, it makes R0, well, If R0 is true, then it goes to label yay, which, yes, it did. And if it doesn't, it just ends the program. But at yay, it does. It adds constant 1 to that, which makes the block go into the trigger. No, not that. That one. Not that one. The one that's under it, and it makes it go into the trigger, which triggers that, and it triggers that, and it also triggers that. It triggers the freaking, and then it sets this stuff. You don't need this sign too, because I took this from a different level. That's it. Now if I go out, if this doesn't work, it's gonna be very embarrassing. But I got 13. I do that, and I have 3. And it has an auto clicker, but guess who deleted the code block for the auto clicker to work? Me. Let's freaking go, bro. I'm so good at making tutorials.